Bottom freezer refrigerators provide a variety of advantages. First off, their height is quite convenient to reach and see fresh food. Plus, their shelf width is also sufficient enough for dessert preparations and party platters. More importantly, they aren't as expensive as other refrigerator variants. If you're looking for spacious cold storage space and don't know much about it, do not worry. We have been searching different products and have come up with a perfect list that will help you choose the highest quality bottom freezer refrigerator in the market. Our top pick is the SMETA counter depth 36-inch refrigerator. However, every product that follows it in the list is as good and has unique qualities that could be perfect for your particular needs. And now for the Freshness.com reviews of the 8 best bottom freezer refrigerators, plus one to avoid. Coming in at number 1, SMETA counter depth French door refrigerator 36-inch bottom freezer. SMETA is a widely recognized name in the refrigeration industry. It has been making bottom freezers for quite a while now. Each of the company's models received positive reviews from people, and this one is no different. Some users even say that this is the best freezer refrigerator in SMETA's vast list of products. This refrigerator is considered the best overall and is ideal for people who want to store multiple items. Its 36-inch depth is more than sufficient to serve its purpose. You will find very few bottom freezers that offer cooling as instant as this one. It is perfect for freezing fresh fruit and vegetables. You can even make your favorite dessert in it. Furthermore, the device has excellent LED lighting, which activates as soon as you open its door. Besides the superb cooling and modern features, the freezer drawers in this device are quite spacious. You can utilize them to organize your food without any hassle. What's even more impressive about this French door refrigerator is that it doesn't require much maintenance. All you need to do is check up on it every once in a while and make the necessary fixes, and you will prolong its life significantly. Pros: energy efficient, frost-free, stainless steel exterior, fingerprint resistant, excellent LED lights. Cons: the refrigerator slightly protrudes. Its warranty is slightly short. Coming in at number 2, Kenmore Elite 24.1 cubic feet 79043 bottom freezer refrigerator. If you are looking for a functional and well-designed bottom freezer refrigerator, this model by Kenmore Elite would be an ideal choice. The fridge offers ample capacity and provides around 24.1 cubic feet to users for storing and accessing their perishable goods. You will find tons of convenient features in this bottom freezer, which makes it the best option if you're on a budget. The deli door in particular adds a lot of convenience, as it allows you to organize your goods without any hindrances. There is also a built-in ice maker in this device, eliminating the need for storing ice cube trays. Press a button and get as many cubes as you want in your glass. If that wasn't enough, the bright LED lights are an excellent modern addition to this refrigerator. Despite all of these modern features, this model by Kenmore Elite is relatively energy efficient. Its durability is also praiseworthy. The stainless steel build makes sure that the device can withstand years of rough use without any significant impact on its looks or functionality. Pros: spacious freezer shelves, bright LED lights, comes with a built-in ice maker, energy efficient, does not require frequent maintenance. Cons: heavier than most bottom freezers. Coming in at number 3, Frigidaire 36-inch FFHD 2250TS French door refrigerator. Most users these days seek bottom freezers with French doors. If you happen to be one of those people, grab this model by Frigidaire. Its 36-inch depth is quite spacious, allowing you to store a massive quantity of perishable items. Compared to other similar refrigerators, this one perhaps has the best. It is simple, yet practical. Plus, the door bins in this product add another layer of convenience. Similar to most of the refrigerators in the market, this one also has a stainless steel build. It is perfect for high-traffic kitchens, where you have to open and close the refrigerator doors quite frequently. What's even more impressive about this product is that despite its aesthetic design and excellent build, it does not accumulate fingerprints or dirt. All you have to do is gently wipe it with a clean cloth, and it will look as good as new. Pros: silent operation. The drawers are easy to access. Automatic defrosting. Spill-safe shelves prevent spills or leakage. Cons: the ice maker could be quicker. Looking to learn more about the best bottom freezer refrigerators in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Coming in at number 4, GE Appliances GE 26.7 cubic feet GNE 27JS MSS French door refrigerator. GE is one of the most reliable refrigerator brands out there. The company has an excellent reputation because of its durable and functional products, and this model is no different. It would even be fair to say that this French door refrigerator is arguably the best GE bottom freezer refrigerator. It is spacious enough for an average family's needs, and is quite handy for kitchen use as well. Besides providing adequate storage, this fridge also allows you to prepare cold desserts and freeze your favorite meal and keep it fresh for a later time. Unfortunately, however, despite having a stainless steel build, this refrigerator can get fingerprints on it. Luckily though, removing smudges is relatively easy, as all you need to do is wipe the dirt with a wet cloth, followed by a dry one. Do this after every 2 or 3 days, and your refrigerator will look impeccable. Pros: excellent LED lighting, impressive ice maker and water filter, aesthetic design, an ideal option for high-traffic kitchens. Con: not fingerprint resistant. Coming in at number 5, Danby bottom mount freezer 9.2 cubic feet. Are you looking for a bottom mount refrigerator that has it all? Look no further than this model by Danby. Similar to all the high-quality freezers in the market, its storage space is quite practical. The shelves and various other compartments offer you to organize your goods effectively. You will have no trouble accessing these items when you need them later. The Danby 9.2 bottom freezer comes with vegetable crisper that can keep your dairy items, fruits, and other ingredients fresh for a considerably long period. That said, the most impressive feature of this bottom mount freezer is perhaps its low energy consumption. No matter how often you keep this product hooked to an electrical outlet, your bills will be significantly lower than almost any other bottom freezer. Besides that, the fridge comes with a reversible hinge design, offering convenience to right-handed as well as left-handed people. Pros: interior lighting. Comes in with a built-in vegetable crisper, a user-friendly beverage dispensing feature, Energy Star compliant, more energy efficient than most bottom freezers. Con: the product could be a little lighter. Coming in at number 6, Fisher Paykel 32-inch RF170 WDRUX5 17.1 cubic feet capacity bottom freezer. Are you looking for a bottom freezer that also has a water dispenser? Grab this model by Fisher Paykel. It offers loads of convenient features to cooking enthusiasts, making it a valuable asset for your kitchen. You'll find very high-end appliances as good as this one, especially when it comes to offering the best of both worlds. Its water dispenser is as good as its bottom freezer. You can use the water to prepare your daily meals and use the freezer to store all of your perishable goods. Plus, the modern features of this model by Fisher Paykel are a class above the rest. All you have to do is push buttons to get chilled water or control the temperature of the device. There is also an automatic ice maker inside the freezer, and unsurprisingly, it works superbly. Pros: stainless steel exterior, visually appealing, does not require frequent maintenance, comes with a built-in water dispenser, user-friendly features. Cons: accessing the automatic ice maker as it is inside the freezer. Coming in at number 7, Bosch 512.5 cubic feet B11CB 50SSS stainless steel bottom freezer refrigerator. Bosch is a big name in the electrical appliances world. The company started making refrigerators long after its inauguration. Surprisingly, however, its cold storage products are as good as any other. Because of this, Bosch became a household name for refrigerators very quickly. And for anyone who still doubts this brand, we would advise you to check this model. It is as spacious as it is full of unique features. If that weren't enough, its high-end look would make you want it the moment you lay your eyes on the product. Compared to several other refrigerators, this one is quite slim. Its glass-on-white finish is quite eye-catching and makes it an ideal appliance to store in your kitchen, lounge, or any other place you deem fit. The freezer's cooling is excellent and can keep your perishable foods fresh for an extended period. What's even more impressive about this product is that it does not require regular maintenance, as it can endure rough use and continue to operate efficiently for years. That said, it would be ideal for getting a professional to check this product for faults if you want to prolong its life. Pros: excellent look, spacious, practical door bins, excellent freezing capability, highly durable. Con: the warranty could be a bit longer. Coming in at number 8. Summit Counter Depth Bottom Freezer Refrigerator 24-inch. Very few bottom freezers offer frost-free operation as efficiently as this model by Summit does. While it is not as deep as other models mentioned on this list, the refrigerator more than makes up for it by its excellent modern features. Let us start with its auto defrost function. All you need to do is press the button and let the bottom freezer take care of the rest. The device also features an open door alarm, high temperature alarm, child lock, removable drawers, and adjustable storage. Place this refrigerator in your kitchen, and you will provide loads of convenience to the chef. All the compartments inside the bottom freezer are easily accessible and let you organize items according to your priorities. Plus, the temperature control system allows you to freeze ice cream and various other desserts in a short period. Pros: comes with a digital thermostat, vegetable crisper, bright LED light, excellent durability, fingerprint resistant, spacious wine shelf. Con: the product does not have reversible doors. Finding this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite bottom freezer refrigerator. Click on the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates. And now for the freshness.com bottom freezer refrigerator to avoid. Samsung Stainless French Door Refrigerator. Some of you may find Samsung's inclusion in the products to avoid section a little surprising. There is no denying that this is arguably one of the most renowned brands in the electrical appliance landscape. However, this model is a huge misfire, especially by Samsung's high standards. Sure, it has several redeeming qualities like storage space, temperature control features, and stunning design, but the pros far outweigh the cons. No one wants their electricity bill to go sky high. Unfortunately, choosing this product will increase your monthly electricity fees. Its power consumption is significantly higher than every other product on this list. Plus, there have been several complaints by users claiming that its LED light is faulty. The last thing that you want to do is get an expensive repair expert to fix your brand new refrigerator. All these reasons are why we give this model by Samsung a hard pass and recommend you to try the bottom freezers mentioned above. Pros: ample storage space, modern temperature controls option, aesthetically pleasing design. Cons: not as durable as other models, consumes too much energy, faulty LED, requires regular maintenance. And now for the freshness.com final thoughts on finding the best bottom freezer refrigerator. In this comprehensive selection of some of the top-rated bottom freezer refrigerators, we thoroughly researched and provided you a list of some of the best cold storage products in the market. The list contains a model for everyone, so whether you are on a budget or looking for a bottom freezer that offers almost every feature you can think of, you can rest easy knowing that this list has something for everyone. Make sure that you consider the features, durability, and size of the product that you are planning to buy, as not doing so could result in you purchasing a refrigerator that does not match your needs. Looking to learn more about the best bottom freezer refrigerators in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Did you find this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite bottom freezer refrigerator. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates.